Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back to Fashion Queen. I'm here with my new YouTube video. So today the topic of my video is about heels. It's block and pencil heels. N- In this video, there is very beautiful and gorgeous design. As you see in the screen, there are very beautiful boots design and it look amazing sneakers in different style. In this channel you will see different sandal designs. This channel is about sandals, boots, heels and many others. I hope you will enjoy this video. So as you see in the screen, there is very beautiful heels, pencil heel, block heel and all kind of heels. This video is combination of heel, boots and many others. And this is very pretty, and this is a colorful heel and there's a bow at the top of this heel and it look amazing. It's very colorful and cute. And this is boots in blue color and in heels, and it's very unique design. It look good. And there's also another design and it's very amazing, very colorful, and it's like multicolor heels and look amazing. And it's jeans heels and it look amazing. It looks so beautiful. And there is another heel. This heel in different type. And there is another block heel and it is also very colorful. And this is a very unique color. It looks so beautiful color and design. And this is very beautiful, decent heel. And this is another bow style of heel. And this is another unique design heel and it look amazing. And I hope you enjoy this video. And this is a very beautiful heel. In this video there's very colorful flowers design heel and will look amazing. This is black color heel and black, black looks stunning. This is also black boots and look so good. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next YouTube video. For Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.